In this video tutorial, you are going to learn how to connect your Fortnite account to your Nintendo Switch so you can have your same progression over on your Switch as you do on PC via the Epic Games Launcher or store. So here we are. What you're going to need is two different things. You're going to need your login information for Epic Games as well as your login information for your Nintendo account. To get to the Epic Game Store, you just go to store.epicgames.com and then / whatever country you're in, or just Google Epic Game Store and it'll take you here right off the bat. Next thing you need to do is log into your Epic Games account. Once you do, you're going to see your username in the upper right-hand corner. Click on your username and go down to where you see Account. Click into Account. Once under your account settings, you're going to see a bunch of options on the sidebar. You want to go down to where you see Apps and Accounts. Click into Apps and Accounts. Next, you want to scroll down to where you see Nintendo Account. You're going to see something here that says Connect, like it does up here for Xbox or PlayStation, whatever it may be. Go ahead and click the Connect button underneath Nintendo Account. When you do that, it will then prompt you to log into your Nintendo account, follow the instructions, and you will then have your Nintendo account linked to your Epic Games account. Meaning now, when you download, install Fortnite, go into Fortnite, you'll log into your account, and your progression or progress will be cross-platform and saved. If you ever need to remove that, come back here, go to Apps and Accounts, go to Remove, and it will automatically take you through a process to where you can disconnect your Nintendo account from said Epic Game Store. So that's all you have to do. Go to Apps and Accounts, go down to Nintendo, hit Connect, follow the instructions, make sure you have your login for your Nintendo account, and you are good to go. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.